Good day. In this video, I will be assessing the crop called olives, or the scientific term Olea europaea, and its potential ecological niche model as climate changes across the globe in the future. This video has been put together by Ashton Fransman from the University of the Western Cape. In the contents, there will be plot analysis, there will be results from the data that was used from DIVA-GIS and GBIF, or the Global Biodiversity Information Facility, to obtain results and data which will be included in the methods and the sources I've used to gather information. The aim of the project is to investigate the present and future climate conditions viable in which the crop will be best suited, and how it will migrate. Olives thrive in subtropical countries along the Mediterranean region, such as Africa, South America, Central South America, more specifically South Africa, Argentina, Greece, Italy, most European countries, Asia. Many nurseries and industries have been globally established because of the importance of this food crop, olives, or Olea europaea. The aims of this is to observe the species and its climatic conditions, which is best suited for it to thrive in the future. Currently, we'll be observing South Africa and South America. With the changes in the global climate systems, we will be looking at possible locations where olives will occur in the future, specifically on the coast, inland of South Africa and Central South America, whether they will survive the rest of the global climate change in the near future. Using DIVA-GIS, I have utilized the domain model to predict the current global distribution of olives around the world. Red shading indicating that the best distribution, to dark green indicating worst distribution. The occurrence of the species is seen to be located best in the sub-equatorial regions along the equator, between Europe and between Africa and South Africa and North Africa, which includes Central South America. Using GIS, I utilized and used the bioclimate model. It shows the effective distribution of olives. I have assessed 11 out of 19 possible variables that the crop is able to thrive and survive in the future. From the global distribution or domain of model of Olea europaea, the future climate using DIVA-GIS shows that temperature and precipitation are most influential of these variables. The potential that the crop has favoring Olea europaea is mainly found in regions of Central America and Central Africa. Regions that experience higher rainfall and warming temperatures may become more suitable for the crop. Limitations due to the species thriving in subtropical climates, changes in climate, appropriate temperature and rainfall will be the biggest limitations. Alongside these challenges, arable land will decrease and pose a competition with more desired food crops and species that occupy the land currently or towards the future. These maps and graphs show that shows the countries that supply olives or they produce olives as a product globally and distributed. Well, these are the most. These are the. How do you say it? These are the main distributors of olives. Okay. Okay, there are opportunities in the future for the species and its predicted occurrence. There is economic potential for countries with future subtropical countries to produce and export Olea europaea. Globally, this is possible for Southern and Central Africa, including South America, which is predicted to accommodate the envelope needed by olive crops. The threats that this poses: competition with other crops originally grown in regions that is now suitable for olives, and the temperatures such as heat intolerant species, insects and pesticides pose a threat as they would destroy the crops and there won't be much produce provided. In conclusion, olives thrive in subtropical climatic conditions in regions below and above the equator. The regions are mainly mid and low altitude in Central South America and Central Africa, with climatic change set to the variables of temperature and rainfall. The climatic regions will undergo change and suitability will also change thereafter. The crop may remain as a potential export for countries like South Africa, but it may not be as easily produced in countries such as or regions such as Central and East Africa due to competition for the viable land over crops that already occupy and provide food security, as well as low rainfall is certain in most countries in Upper Africa and South America.